G'day, here's 4 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. The material's been wetted and the white that you can see there is a reflection of the lights. Okay, the first piece, done. It's concave through the middle there. Very nice colours, purple, blues. Just on the face there, doesn't look like there's anything else in the piece. Second piece, this potch should come off, might be a crack there in the end. Nice broad green flash in that piece. Again, nothing else in it. This face, might have to cut it through here and concentrate on that and get another little stone out over here. Again, it's just the face. And this piece, pinks and reds. It's got a bit of scale on the top which I think will come off. Presents itself as a whiter sort of stone. Some more colour under here. Then another little face there of nothing much. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.